It's a graph using a table of values. Let me create a table here. We're going to plug numbers in for x, and we are going to get numbers out for y. So here we have x, and here we have y. Whenever we plug in numbers for x, you know we're going to multiply by the 1, and then we're going to divide by 2. And after that, we'll subtract 4. Now, keep in mind, at some point, we're going to divide by 2. That means that if we want to avoid decimals, let's plug in numbers that are divisible by 2, so that when we divide by 2, it'll still be a whole number. It'll still be an integer. So numbers that are divisible by 2. Let's do 0, 2, 4, and how about negative 2 here? Okay, so start with negative 2. If we plug that in, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. And then negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. That is one solution on your graph. Next number we're going to plug in is 0. That's probably the easiest solution to come up with. If you plug in 0 for x, 0 times a half is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Plug in positive 2 for x. If we plug in 2, 2 times a half is 1. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Should be able to see a kind of a pattern going on here. We're going to plug in 4 for x. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 divided by the 2 is 2. So half of 4 is 2. And then 2 minus 4. Okay, remember I'm bringing this 4 over. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So here are some solutions you should get out. There are others that you might have come up with. I'm going to plot these points. Negative 2, negative 5. 0, negative 4. 2, negative 3. And 4, negative 2. If you connect the dots, there's your line. Notice that the y-intercept here is negative 4. There's a negative 4 for the y-intercept. And the slope is up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Well, you should be able to see 1/2 is your slope. That's a good way to check.